What's up, Fitted Squad? This is Brad, aka 2Fitted, coming to you with another quick video. And today's video, we're just gonna go ahead and select the winner of the Underglow giveaway. So let's go ahead and grab the URL for this video and paste it into the random comment selector. Let's load the comments. Got the video name. Alright, likes, the views. I don't know what to say about that, but let's go ahead and select the winner. Okay, homie Philly Elegante, he won. So let me go ahead and reach out to you, and we'll go ahead and get this sent on out to you. If you guys are interested in more giveaways, definitely let me know below. I'm not sure if everybody's still interested in the Underglow or if you want me to try something else, but definitely let me know what you think you'd be interested in for another giveaway. Like I said, thank you all for tuning in, for the support, and I appreciate you all rocking with me. And as always, stay fitted. Peace.